Across industries, across borders, Hazardous Waste Experts is committed to one promise: any waste, any place. From hazardous materials and chemical waste to electronic scrap and medical sharps, we partner with trusted vendors nationwide and across Canada to deliver seamless, compliant waste management solutions. With a network of industry-leading partners, we ensure that all waste is handled with precision and care. From laboratories to factories, from medical facilities to schools, no location is too remote. By working with a network of transportation and disposal experts, we can deploy the right fleet for the job, no matter the type of waste or where it's located. Beyond waste collection, we coordinate environmental remediation and site decontamination, ensuring that businesses stay compliant and communities remain safe. With decades of experience and a commitment to environmental regulations, we provide responsible, compliant waste management that protects both businesses and the environment. Any waste, any place, wherever you are, we've got you covered.